as selling versus parting out, you need to look at the market in your area, because this is a lower end Datsun, so no one's going to pay to ship it across the country.
This is a 280ZX. It's not the most popular or well sought after Z car. Now we have about $3,000 into it. That includes the price that we purchased of the car. I actually have another video that goes over how you could build a Datsun under 5K. But again, you're going to want to make sure that it doesn't have significant body damage from a wreckage. So Ashley and I are going to get to it. We're going to start parting out, and hopefully we'll see if all the parts that we can gather will eventually make it to at least 3,000. That's what I'm shooting for. Maybe we'll be a little bit surprised.
Is it gonna have to come off? I thought we might be able to get away with not having it, but now I'm looking at it, I don't think that's gonna work. Lord.
Loose now?
Ta-da! Look at Mad Max. Ah!
What happened?
I put my hand through the window on accident.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't
okay?
mean to. I had the fan right there and I was trying to step around it. I don't think it's too bad, just a couple spots.
It's not deep, is it?
It doesn't look deep.
I can't let her do anything by herself.
Nope. Put me in bubble wrap.
So I went onto eBay and looked at completed sold listings within the last 2 months to try to get an idea of how much we could get for each part, and we're pleasantly surprised. So some of the most valuable things are the turbo ECU or the ECM computer that came up as $350. Some of the wire harness as well are pretty valuable, so we're able to pull all those out. I actually removed the valve cover. I'm gonna sell that separately. It looks like because it says turbo on it, those are a little bit rare, and that goes for 200 bucks. Some of the taillight items even come up for $100 for each side, so that's really cool. We have tons of other parts that are anywhere from 50 to 100, and then we've got quite a few parts that are between 25 and 45. So we're looking at parts that have actively sold or have a completed listing within the last 2 months on eBay. And if we go down, drum roll, for the grand total is $4,600. So we basically spent $1,800 for the car, and then we put another about $1,500 into it. So and there was a couple of few smaller things, so we're about $3,000 in, and so it looks like we're gonna be about $1,600 in the positive. So we'll retrieve our money back as well as make a little bit extra money. And then some of the other things that I didn't account for, so the engine block and head, I can probably sell that just locally. My thought was, around $300, $350. I've seen those for sale before in the area. The automatic transmission, we bought it used for $250. I can probably resell it for around the same price.